Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to talk about how do you optimize your LinkedIn profile to get a better exposure or a maximum exposure so that you'll be able to get maximum exposure. So firstly, log into your LinkedIn account, and once you're logged in, so some of the tips here for to optimize your profile is firstly, once you're logged in, get into your profile for your profile page. So once you get into your profile page, all right, what you can do is your profile picture and the background headshot background image or the banner image, or you can use a headshot for it. So try to have a background picture, so because that's the visual impression is one of the main things that first strikes for a employer or when someone looks at your profile. So we need to give a maximum good exposure through your profile picture visually. So you have so you make sure the picture is professional and pleasant. So those things, that's one tip. Next, what you can do, your connections. Make sure you have good connections when you so click on my network. So and look and your connections. Try to make good connections with people around your industry or at the same niche as yours. So get more connections, and also try to get more endorsements, like skills endorsements. Like, for example, if you go to your skills, scroll down. If you go to your skills, I think, one sec, just need to go to my profile. All right, so if you go to your profile under skills, yep, try to get endorsements. Okay, so if you need more information on getting skills endorsements, I have a separate video on our channel, which you can have a look if you need some help with it. So do skills endorsements, all right, and have good connections. That's one of the major things that you need to have in your profile. And next thing is you can check your profile strength. Okay, LinkedIn by default has a profile strength here, which starts from beginner, intermediate, advanced, that category. So at least the minimum, try to have the strength in an intermediate strength. If you can have advanced, that's more better, much better. So at least try to have an intermediate strength. All right, and and another important thing is, okay, on your profile, make sure you have a clear and precise information about you, such as what's your occupation, okay, and a more precise information about you and what you do or what you can offer. Just a short and crisp introduction to you or to you and your profession. So this will help employers, or it will help employer to have an idea about what you actually do. So those are some of the important things, basic things that will help you to optimize your profile. And hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you guys in another video soon.